It literally turned my world upside down very, very quickly.
We got up at 6:30 on the Wednesday morning. He had breakfast as normal. We had a usual routine, and he left for work just before 7, and that was the last time I saw him.
I got diagnosed on the 18th of February. My tumour was the size of a grapefruit.
So soon after my stroke, I had an absolute meltdown.
When you're able-bodied and you see someone in a wheelchair, you think that they've had that wheelchair given to them. You get a basic wheelchair.
I didn't want to give up. I wasn't giving up. That wasn't an option. But at this point, it was like super low.
We needed to get the kid, because we got 4 children, to come up and see us before our wedding, just to sort of say goodbyes to them and so forth.
One of the hardest things was telling my children, I don't want my children to see me in agony.
I can remember going in the house, calling his name, thinking he's going to be here.
And that's where Ben came in. And they came up with enough for me to fund the whole of this chair.
From the first minute, I knew. I felt supported.
And I was put in touch with a lady called Stephanie Brown, and she went on the journey with me and helped me raise funds for Stairly.
Ben took the weight off my shoulders. Claire kept telling me that we're doing this because you need to concentrate on you.
It weren't just a case of this is a general thing we're going forward with. It was, we're here for you.
Life is short. Spend it with those that mean the world to you. Your family and your loved ones are important, and you never know when that can be taken away.
But I'm in a position now where, I'm loving life again.